We're eating good tonight, Martha, because we're doing some beer braised pot roast at the pit. And you got to check this out. All right, the first thing we got to do is cut up some veggies. We have some onions, we have garlic, we have peppers. You choose what you like. You can even throw some carrots. Oh, my God. But anyway, just get your veggies all lined up, whatever you want. Oh, I'm going to tell you something. This is going to be good. But I know for some of you, just looking at veggies can be a problem. All right, we've got a good fire going here. Time to start cooking this beer braised chuck roast. So we're going to sprinkle on some seasoning. You want to at least get some salt and pepper on there on all sides, right? Oh, man. We're using our SPG. The fire is ready. Get that pan heated up. Now, we've got some oil in there, right, because we want to braise all sides of this roast. You want to bring on the texture. You want to bring on some flavor, because this is going to be braising in beer, right? So we're going to introduce those flavors right now. Now, of course, you don't want to cook these through. You just want to sear the outside. Just flip it. Simple enough. Now, the veggie part. You throw in what you got. Oh, man, I'm telling you. This is going to bring a lot of additional flavor into this pot roast. Good enough. Now, here's the magic. You get the beer. You want to put sufficient amount of beer in there, especially during this long, slow cook. And here we've got some beef paste, right? It's, you know about that, right? You can use beef broth. We want to bring in some more of that beef flavor into this cook. So we'll put that in there, put the cover on. All right, we're ready. Slow braise. So we want to check your liquid levels, right? If we don't, you could burn the bottom of this. So every once in a while, we're going to just check this and see the veggies are cooking down. Add some more beer. Oh, I'm telling you. Now, of course, if you don't want to use beer, I guess you can use water. It's all about the beer braising. I am telling you. Lord have mercy. Now, while we're waiting, we're gonna skewer up some shrimp. Throw it on the top lid of this cast iron pan. That'll hold this for a little bit. All right. Again, checking on the liquid levels. Perfect. Whoa. I say it's time to eat. Now, we're looking for an internal temperature of close to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. This is where the connective... Oh, Martha's calling. She needs a ride from the bus stop, no doubt about it. But you get those 200-degree Fahrenheit temperatures that'll break down that connective tissue or get real tender on you. Now, cut off the string the butcher so kindly gives us. Just make some slices. Oh, need I say more? Now, you can set this up the way you want. You can do a fancy-ass plate with the sides. We can just make some sandwiches like we're doing here, right? Man, I don't need to say much more, right? Got my steed in my hair, baby, I don't care. Gonna butter some biscuits, grab me up there, oh. Grab me up there, all right. Double them up. This is why you want to cook at least 2 roasts, because you'll go through it real quick. Oh, man. You know that. Tender, moist, full of flavor. Got a few jalapenos in there. Make it the way you want. Oh. So this is what it's about. Head on over to the pit, kick back, cook up something good. Whoa. This is the part where the pit masters are eating in front of you, and they're not apologizing, trust me. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.
BBQ Pit Boys for life! Yeah! BBQ Pit Boys for life!